Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأعراف قل من حرم زينة الله التي أخرج لعباده والطيبات من الرزق قل هي للذين آمنوا في الحياة الدنيا خالصة يوم القيامة كذلك نفصل الآيات لقوم يعلمون. Translation. Say, who has forbidden the adornment which Allah has brought forth for His servants, and the pure good things from His provision of sustenance? Say, they are for the believers to enjoy in life of this world, and will be exclusively for them on day of resurrection. As such, we explain our revealed verses for the people of nations who know and understand. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made all halal tayyib things permissible and halal for humans. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made these provisions for the humans so that humans get benefit from these things, and then they worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They remain sincere to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they remain thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. With this concept, everything that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made, all the good things are for the believers and those who obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. However, the non-believers and the kafirun also get benefit from these things in the world because they are not prohibited to use these things, and they use their intellect and their hard work for the worldly benefits, and we see that in this life they get more provisions, generally speaking, than the believers. And one reason is this, that the believers have lost the strength in their iman and taqwa, and these non-believers get the worldly benefits more than the believers by working harder than the believers. But in the hereafter, the benefits and the good things are specifically reserved only for believers, and in the hereafter, non-believers will not get any benefits or any ni'mat. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has not forbidden Muslims to use the ni'mas and the bounties that are given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this world, but some people cross limit and make their own rules. Some people had made good clothing haram on them. Some think that kids and wives will keep them away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and some had made good food haram on them, but these things were not commanded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All the halal tayyib things that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created in this world are halal for Muslims, and they should benefit from these things. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Jameel and beautiful, and He likes beauty and the Jamal. Human nature is also to like the beauty, and in the hereafter, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created all the things that are desired by a human heart in the most beautiful manner. But in the Jannah and paradise, it will be reserved only for Muslims, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has explained His ayahs, and whoever ponders on His ayahs will get the message and will get the guidance. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and open our hearts for the understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum.